Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Hello students, as we have discussed about LCM and HCF in detail now and also practiced many questions. Now again we are going to practice some question on HCF and LCM. So these will be some statement based questions on which we have to look for whether we want to go for HCF or for HCF. For HCF or LCM, we need to figure it out what to calculate in that particular question. Let's get started. Here is our first question. In this question, it is written that Renu purchases 2 bags, okay, 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 60 kg. So what is the first statement? Says that Renu purchases 2 bags. She has purchased 2 bags of fertilizer of weight. First bag weight is 75 and another bag weight is 69 kg. So we have to find the maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of time. So we have to find the exact number, exact weight, okay. Find the maximum value. When they are saying maximum value of the weight, we will go for always when maximum is there, when highest is there, we go for HCF. So because maximum weight is asked, we are going to find out the highest common factor, that is HCF, okay. So you have to do the prime factorization of 75 and 69 to find the HCF. Let's start. The first one I can divide with 3 because with 2 it will not be divided, students. With 3, we will write 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Then again with 5, 5 5s are 25 and this. So 75 prime factors are 3 into 5 into 5. What about 69? 69 not divisible with 2 but yes with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then we are left with 23 only, which is a prime number. So 69 prime factors are 3 into 23. To find out the HCF, students, what do we do? We take out the common factor. What is the common factor here? Only 3, because 5 is coming in 75 but not in 69. Also 23 is only present in 69's prime factors, not in 75's. So only the common factor is 3 and minimum it is coming one time. So HCF would be 3. So what is the maximum value of the weight? It is 3 kilogram. That will measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of time. I hope the question is clear to you. Also the solution is understood by you. Next question is, there are 3 boys that step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. So there are 3 boys and they have started walking together. Like the first step they have taken it all together, all 3 of them. So their steps, the first one when took the first step, it is of 63 centimeter length. The second is having the step of 70 centimeter, okay, and the third one's step length is 77 centimeter. Clear? They're asking us to find out minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. So whatever the total distance is, they can cover in complete steps. So we have to find the minimum distance. Now in the previous question, if you observe, we were asked about the maximum. So we have applied the HCF here, okay. But here they are asking minimum distance. For minimum, for least, we do the LCM. So let us find the LCM of these. So first of all, 63, we have 63, 77 and 70. Okay, I'll write 3. We have to take their LCM. Let's take the LCM. This is the method, one of the method to find out LCM. One is prime factorization, other is this one, where also we go for prime factorization, but all together we do for 3 numbers. So first of all, I will do with 2 because 70 is an even number. 63 copied as it is, 77 copied as it is. 70 when divided with 2 gives us 35. Now I see there is no number that will get divided with 2. So I will start dividing with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 77 will remain as it is and 35 as well. Here. Now again with 3, 3 7s are 21, 77 copied as it is, 35 because not divisible by 3 is copied as it is. Now after this I can divide it with 5. So 7, 77 as it is, 5 7s are 35. Now we see it is divisible with 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 ones are 7 ones are, so it will be 11. 7 ones are 7. Now the last one is 11. So we have got 1, 1 and 1 at the end. So LCM would be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. Just see what we will get. 2 threes are 6, 6 threes are 18. So I'm writing 18. 5 sevens are 35 and then we have 11. So students, when we multiply it, what do we get? 6,930. So 6,930 centimeter is the minimum distance that they will cover in complete steps. This is the minimum distance. Clear? Moving to the next question. In this question, we have been given the length, breadth and height of a room. Length is 825 centimeter, breadth is 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter is the height. We have to find the longest tape, as I told, for maximum, for highest, for greatest, for longest, we go for HCF. This word makes it clear that we have to go for HCF of these numbers. So you have to find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So what we are going to do, students, we will be finding out the HCF of these 3 numbers. So let's find the HCF. First, I will write 825, okay, and do the prime factorization of that. Starting with 2 not divisible, with 3, let us see. Can we divide 825 with 3? Yes. So 3 2s are 6, then 2 is left, 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Again with 3 when we go, 3 9s are 27, it is not divisible. So we should go with 5. So we will write 5 5s are 25 and then 2 is left, so 5 5s are 25 again. So we get 55. Okay, then with 5 again we will get 11 and C. So these are the prime factors of 825. Then we 2 4 6 75. We will divide it with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again with 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Then can we do it again with 3? Yes, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now with 5. So this is what we will write for 675, and for 450 then we will start with 2 because it's an even number, will get divided with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Then not divisible with 2, so we will do with 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Then again with 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, and then with 5. Let's write them as product of their prime factors. 825 is 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. Then we have 675. Let us mention it also as the product of its prime factors. 675 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Then the last number is 450, that can be written as the product of prime factors 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So let us first pick up the common factors. 3 is present in all of them. 3 is coming one time here, 3 times here and 2 times here. So we will pick it only one time for the HCF. Then we have 5. 5 is 2 time here, 2 time here and 2 time here. So we will copy it down 2 times. Now 11 is not present in all of the numbers. So we will take 3 only and 5 only, not 2 and 11, because they are only present in one number but not in all of them. So just multiply 3 into 5 into 5 is 25. So what is the answer? 75. Okay, so the longest tape will be of 75 centimeter length. This is the length of the tape. So this you need to have to measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. Clear? Exactly means when you measure it, it is going to come certain number of times, like 5 times, 7 times, something will come up. Particularly, it will be a complete number. Moving to the next question now. In this question, we have to determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So exactly divisible by all the 3 number means what? That will be some multiple of these 3, right? A common multiple of these 3. So let us first find out the smallest multiple of these 3 which is common to all 3 of them. Smallest matlab, the smallest means the least means minimum, right? So we have to find out the least common multiple, that means the LCM. First of all, 6, 8 and 12. Students, we are going to find out the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Then again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then again with 2, 3 1 3. Then with 3. Okay. So LCM would be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that comes out to be 24. So this is the first common multiple. This is the first multiple which will be common. This is the least one. Now after 24, which will be the common? 48. Then after 48, 72. Then after 78, 96 and then 120. So we are going to search for the smallest 3 digit. This is the 2 digit number, but we want the 3 digit smallest number that is exactly divisible by all three of them. So when they say exactly divisible by all three of them, students, that means it is going to be some multiple, some common multiple of these three. So I have calculated the smallest common multiple or the least common multiple, that is the LCM of 3. So 21 is the first number, common multiple, 2 digit number that will be divisible by all three of the numbers, that is 6, 8 and 12. Now after 24, we will have this one, 24 into 2. The next will be 24 into 3. Next would be 24 into 4 and next number would be 24 into 5. These are all the numbers, all multiples of 24, which are actually common to 6, 8 and 12. They are common multiples of these three numbers and also divisible. Obviously, when they are multiple, they would be divisible by these three numbers. So out of all, when I look for a first 3 digit number, that comes out to be 120. So what would be the answer? The smallest 3 digit number would be 120, which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Clear? Going to the next question. In this it is asking, determine the greatest 3 digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Think about it, they're asking about the greatest 3 digit number, not the smallest. So what we need to do? Instead of the smallest, we need to go for greatest. In smallest, what we did? We got the answer here only when we multiply 24 with 5. It may happen when we are searching the greatest number, then we have to think about more multiplication of 24 with 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let's just try that. So first of all, find out the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 2s are 4 and we'll get 2 3s are 6. Again with 2 you will do. Then once with 3 because we will get this, and once with 5. We'll get 1, 1 and 1. So do you see the LCM? What is it? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So that is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 into 5 is 120. So students, 120 is the smallest multiple, okay? And it is 3 digits. So it will be divisible with 8, 10 and 12. In this case, instead of greatest, it would have been smallest. The answer would have been 120 because this is the first multiple. But they are talking about the greatest 3 digit number. So I will start with multiplying, like 120 into 1 is 120, that is the first multiple. The next number that would be exactly divisible by all the three numbers is 240. So like this, when you will try by 8, when you do, you get 960, and when you do with 9, you will get 1080. So this is now starting with 4 digits. So when we do after 8, we will get 4 digit number, okay? But we are looking for the greatest 3 digit number. So these all from here to here will be 3 digit number. Out of all, the greatest one is 960. So the greatest 3 digit number which will be divisible by all the three numbers 8, 10 and 12 is 960. This is how you calculate. Clear? Moving to the next one, it is saying the traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. So what is basically happening? The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing, at the first is changed 48 seconds, then 72 seconds and then 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously, that means together, at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously? Again, after 7 a.m., what will be the time at which all three will change together. That is what the question means. Okay, so what we are told with that the changes, the like the three road light is there, three road crossings are there. The first one changes after 48 seconds, the second after 72, and the third one after 108 seconds. If they simultaneously changed once at 7 a.m., we have to tell after 7 a.m. what will be the time when they will change at the same time. That means they will change simultaneously. So just try to understand here. So what we will do in this case, because we have to check simultaneously when they will change, we will find the LCM. Okay, why LCM? Because when we calculate the least common multiple, we will get a number which is common to all three of these, right? And that would be the first time that they change. Or we will calculate actually by LCM that after how many seconds actually they are changing. What is the common multiple to them? So we will find 48, 72 and 108 LCM. Just calculate that. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are and 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18 and then 27. Again with 2, 2 3s are 6, then 9 as it is and 27 as it is. With 3 we will do 3 1s are 3, we will get 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Again with 3 when we do, we will get 1, 1 and 3. So last will also be with 3, that will give us the last answer as 1 1 and 1. Clear? So now when we find the LCM, let's multiply all of these. 2 is 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 times I have written, and 3 is coming 3 times. Clear? So when we multiply, we get 432 as the product. So after 432 seconds, after every 432 seconds, okay, they change simultaneously. That means at the same time they change. So 432 seconds means 432 second means convert it into minutes. So we'll divide it with 60. Okay, so you will get 7 minutes and 12 seconds. This is what you get, right? So students, this is going to be your answer, 7 minutes 12 seconds. First of all, what they have given, see, we have been provided with the seconds after which each of the light changes. Now they are saying they are simultaneously changing at 7 a.m. At what time will they change simultaneously again? So because they changed at 7, then after 7 minutes 12 seconds, they will again change. Clear? Because we are getting that they will change simultaneously after every 432 seconds. 432 second means 7 minutes 12 seconds. Okay, so if they started with they have first changed simultaneously at 7, then that means after 7 minutes and 12 seconds, okay, they will change again. Clear? Next one, here they are saying there are three tankers, students, 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. So we have three tankers of diesel. We have to find the maximum capacity of the container that can measure the diesel of three containers exact number of times. So maximum capacity we have to find for the container that will measure these quantities given. Okay, that is 403 and 434 and 465. So what we need to do is, for maximum capacity, we will find HCF. 403 we have, so we are first going to divide it, so it will get divided with 13 first, not with any other number. So 13 threes are 39 and 13 ones are 13. So then 31 is a prime number, will be divisible with 13 only. So we will get 13 and 31 as the factors of it. 434 when you try, you start with 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, then 2 sevens are 14, then it will be divided with 7, 7 threes are 21 and 7 ones are 7. So 31 again we are getting, which is a prime number divisible by 31. Then 465 we do. Can we divide 465 with 3? Try doing it. Yes, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15. Now we can divide it with 5, 5 threes are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So again we get 31. So 403 students can be written as 13 into 31. Then we have 434 that can be written as 2 into 7 into 31. Then we have 465 that can be written as 3 into 5 into 31. Now what is the common one out of these? Just see, 31 is present in all of them. So HCF would be 31. So the maximum capacity of the container would be 31 liters. Clear? The next one is we have to find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. What is it leaving? Remainder 5 in each case. That means that number when we divide it with 6 leaves the remainder 5. When we divide it with 15 the remainder is 5. When we divide it with 18 then also the remainder is 5. Because they are asking the least number, students will go for LCM, and we will LCM will give us a number which is exactly divided with these three, which is exactly divisible with these three. So first find that out. 6, 15 and 18. Calculate the LCM. So we'll start with 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. Now with 3, 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 3s are, and again with 3 we'll get 1. Then with 5. So the LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 5 we get 90 as the answer. So 90 is the number which is exactly divisible by 6, exactly divisible by 15 and exactly divisible by 18. But we do not want the number to be exactly divisible. We want the number to leave the remainder 5 in each case. So what we will do? Required number would be, we will make it 5 more than this. So required number would be 90 plus 5, because now when 90 is exactly divisible by all three, if it is 95 then that 5 is extra in it. So every time we will be getting the remainder as 5. So that number is 95 and it is the least number when we divide with these and leaves the remainder 5 in each case. The next number, find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by all three of these. So we have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible with all three, 18, 24 and 32. So first of all, let us find out the least common multiple which is exactly divisible with these three, and we will see whether it is 3-digit or 4-digit. If that comes out to be 4-digit, that will be the number. If that is 3-digit, we will figure out that by multiplying that number with which number we get a 4-digit number. So LCM of 18, 24 and 32 you are going to calculate. Let's just do it. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Then again with 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. And again with 2, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2 we will go. Okay, then with 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and last will also be with 3. As you can see, at last you will get 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you have 3 into 3. So when we multiply this, let's just multiply. So we are going to get it as 288. But this is a 3-digit number. We want a 4-digit number. So 4-digit, that means we have to find the common multiple of, we have to find the multiple of 288, and that should be a 4-digit number, the first 4-digit multiple. So 288 into 2 if I do, that is 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16 and 1 17. So 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So we basically get 576, which is again a 3-digit number. Let's try with 3. So when we try with 3, we get 864. So when we try with 4, the number that we get on multiplication is 1152. So this is the first 4-digit multiple of 288. So this would be the number, the smallest 4-digit number would be this, which is exactly divisible by these three. Clear? We already have discussed these kind of problems earlier. The next question is, you have to find the LCM of these numbers, and we have to observe a common property in the obtained LCMs, and we have to make sure is LCM the product of two numbers in each case. We'll just figure that out. So find out the LCM of 9 and 4 first. Let's start with 2. Okay, so with 2 when I do, I'll get 9 1, then I'll start with 3 and we get this. So LCM would be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 4 into 9 only, it is 36. So observe a common property in the obtained LCM. Is LCM the product of numbers in this case? Yes, it is the product of the numbers in this case. So yes, in the first case or the first part, the LCM is the product of the two numbers. Let us try the second part. In the second part, that is 12 and 5, so 5 is a prime number, the factor is 5 only, and of 12 we will write like this: 2 6 are 12, then we can write 2 3s are 6, okay, and then 3 1s are 3. So 12 and 5, so I have done it with another method so that you can recall it. It is 2 into 2 into 3 and it is 5 here. So LCM will be, we will be taking all the factors. 2 is coming maximum 2 number of time, 3 is coming 1 number of time, and 5 is also coming 1 number of time. So 2 2s are 4 into 3 into 5, that gives you 60. And when you multiply 12 and 5, that also gives you 60. So yes, in this case also, what is the common thing as the same as the first one? Here also we were getting 36, that was the product of 9 and 4. Here we are getting 60, that is the product of 12 and 5. Let's try the third one. 6 and 5, finding out the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 5, then with 3 and then with 5. So we get 1 and 1. So do you see the LCM is 2 into 3 into 5, that is 6 into 5, that is 30. So yes, it is the product of these two numbers. Okay, and the last part is now left. So we can definitely do the last one. The last one is 15 and 4. Starting with 2. 2 2s are 4, then again with 2. I am copying 15 as it is because not divisible by 2. Now with 3 and now with 5. So LCM would be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5 is 60, and 15 into 4 is also 60. So yes, here also in all these four parts, the LCM is the product of the two numbers. Yes, we have checked it. So here is the next question. We have to find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is a factor of other. You see, 5 is a factor of 20, 6 is a factor of 18, 12 is a factor of 48, and 9 is a factor of 45. So we have to observe what do you observe in the results obtained. Let's first find the LCM. LCM of 5 and 20. So 5 and 20. We'll start with 2, 5 as it is, 10. Then again with 2, so you get 5 and then 5. Do you see what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 5 it is 4 into 5, that is 20. So it is coming that number only of which this is a factor. 5 is a factor of 20 and the LCM is also 20. If we try for 6 and 18, this is the first part. So if we try for 6 and 18, let's just start with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. Then with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and then we get 1 1. So here the LCM would be 2 into 3 into 3. That is 18 only. Do you observe? This 18 is coming up. Again, 18 is a multiple of 6 and 6 is a factor of 18. So we get 18 as the answer. Let us try the next two parts also and then we will reach on the result. Okay. In the third part, 12 and 48. So start with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then again with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then again with 2, 6. Then again with 2, we get 3 3. And then at last 1 1. So LCM would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. And 16 into 3 is 48. See, again we are getting this number. Yes, in the first two we were getting this as the LCM. Let's try the last part now, that is D part, and we have to find the LCM of 9 and 45. So I will try with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Then again with 3, 3 1s are and 5s are, and then I get 5. So LCM is 3 into 3 into LCM would be 3 into 3 into 5, that is 9 into 5 45. So in this case also we are getting 45 students. So students, what is the observation now? In all of them, we are getting the larger number. That means out of 5 and 20, 20 came out to be LCM. Out of 6 and 18, 18 came out to be LCM. Out of 12 and 48, 48 is the LCM. And out of 9 and 45, 45 is the LCM. That means if we have two numbers in which one is factor of another number, then the larger number will always be the LCM. Clear? So that's all for this. So we have discussed a lot of problems on our HCF and LCM. I hope the concept is clear. So thank you so much and stay tuned.